How to delete your repost on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever reposted a video on TikTok and then changed your mind? No worries. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a repost on TikTok quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you have opened it, you now locate the video that you have reposted. To do that, simply tap on profile icon shown on the bottom right corner. Once you are in your profile, simply tap on the repost icon shown on the screen and you will see all the videos that you have reposted. Simply tap the video that you want to remove from the repost. Once the video is open, simply tap on the share button. This is the arrow icon located on the right side of the screen. And in the pop-up menu, you will see an option that says remove repost. Now tap on remove repost to delete the repost. Once you do this, the repost will no longer appear as a shared video on your account. And that's it. Now you know how to delete a repost on TikTok in just few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.